Hello.
Hey guys. I don't know what we're gonna do today, but it involves the Supra because it's running again. And I don't want my cars to run, so that's why I'm going to drive it now. No, I don't know. I think we're gonna drive to Munich for no reason at all, other than to just drive with the Supra and test it a bit on the Autobahn to see, because I've never driven in stage 3, which is like 1000 horsepower. And I think the German Autobahn is the right place to do that. I have no idea.
Yeah, let's go. Hope for the best.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, we're on the way. Supra is driving like a cat.
Why like a cat?
I think cats drive really good. I think actually it's like there's two main concerns about the day. Police in Munich,
Yeah.
which is really strict, and this is probably the worst car to take there. And that something goes wrong on the car. I don't know which one I'm more concerned about, to be honest. Probably both.
For the broken parts on the car.
Yeah. I'm actually a bit happy that we're not driving up the mountain again. I think this is the better choice for the car. This is just a highway car, not a I go around corners fast car.
Yeah.
Or actually it's a I take it to car shows and launch the shit out of it car. Oh, hey, driving around the neutral. Perfect. We need some fuel.
I know.
I hope they have the right Sprudel. Super. Ultimate this.
Oh yeah, baby. So stage 3, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Stage 2. Try it. Yeah, so believe it or not, but the mission is failed a bit. We aborted the mission because there's just so much traffic and I don't think it makes any sense. So we only tested the first 2 stages today. But we have a plan for tomorrow in the evening. I think it's gonna be even cooler when there's not much light outside, so you see the flames in the back. So we're gonna try it again tomorrow. Yeah, so it's a few days later now. We're gonna try it again. 3rd stage, 1000 horsepower Supra, hopefully this time with less traffic.
Money nine.
We also picked up Mr. Zenzi and Mr. Fuzzi, who is parking his car right now. There he is. And now it's time to go to the Autobahn. Yeah, let's see what the Supra has to say in stage 3. I'm a little bit nervous, I have to say, also because of the weather. And
Yeah.
I'm a little bit nervous.
Yeah.
But I really want to test it now. And
You waited so long for this moment.
yeah, we have to see. It's a bit hot today, so I don't really know how it will work out because it's like 30
Too chasey.
I'm really nervous, I have to say. I think you notice it, but I'm actually. That was like 320.
Mit drehbar Öldruck.
Are you ready?
Yes. This is so crazy, man.
It's fucking fast.
Yeah,
But
and loud.
it's so hard to shift with the left hand. But I love it. It's amazing. It's built for exactly this and nothing else. Just built for Autobahn.
Yeah,
But it can do that pretty well.
yeah.
Yeah, I love it. I really, really love it.
Yeah.
It sounds so crazy. I wonder what it sounds like from the outside.
Fucking crazy. Fuck. Das gibt's nicht. Die Sau ist Rass. Außer.
Außer.
So yeah, when we started today, the car was completely full, which means 60 liters of fuel. And now, a few pulls later, I have to fill up. So we had 7 liters left in the fuel cell, which means that we went through 53 liters of fuel in only not even half an hour, with like 6 or 7 pulls. Perfect. But I love this car, man. Just, man, it looks so good. It looks so good. And I'm actually really happy that it completely worked till now. So, yeah. So yeah, the Supra Autobahn test run was pretty successful, I would say. The car did a wonderful job today, and also the last time we filmed. I don't really know how fast we were going because the speedometer cuts off at 300 kilometers. But I would say like 320 maybe.
Or more.
I don't really know. But yeah, it's very good. It feels actually pretty safe compared to taking a car up Großglockner. So
Going straight lines is better than corners.
yeah, the car definitely is built for this and not for driving up some mountains.
And what's also good about the Supra launches.
The launch control,
Yeah, that's
yeah.
pretty amazing.
I think we need some outside shots in the dark and some launch control.
Yeah.
Now. I made it back to the garage in one piece. Listen to the turbo.